Welcome to Dream Abroad with IELTS. Today we are going to see the overview of IELTS test. First, what is this IELTS test stands for? It is International English Language Testing System. This evaluates your English on the basis of receptive and productive skills. This means checking how good you are in English. If you are a non-native English speaker, you must write to this test if you want to go to these English-speaking countries like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, USA, Ireland, UK, like that, for study or work or for permanent residence. Non-native means the people who are living in a country that English is not spoken as the primary language, like Asian and African countries, South American countries, and even most European countries. They don't speak English as their primary language. They have it as a second or third language. Next, about the categories of IELTS test. This test is created by Cambridge University, UK a long time ago. There are two categories of IELTS test. It is General IELTS and Academic IELTS. If you are planning to go for work or permanent residence, choose General test. And for study like graduation, post-graduation, PhD, go for Academic test. They will not accept General IELTS test for studies and vice versa. So please check which test you are supposed to write before register for the exam. Types of IELTS test. There are paper-based test and online test in which you can choose one option that you are comfortable with. Next, modules in IELTS test. There are 4 modules for both general and academic test. They are listening, reading, writing and speaking. Listening is going to be for 40 minutes and there are 40 questions. In this first 30 minutes, play a pre-recorded audio. On the basis of that, you write the answers in the question booklet simultaneously. Then after that, you get a 10 minutes to transfer the answers into the answer sheet. It is same for both general and academic test. Next is reading test. It is for 60 minutes and there are 40 questions. In this test, make sure that you write the answers straight into the answer sheet because you don't get here any extra time to transfer the answers to the answer sheet. Also, it is different for general and academic test. Next is writing. It is for 60 minutes and there are 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2. It is also different for general and academic test. Speaking. It is for 11 to 14 minutes. It is actually a one-to-one interaction between examiner and candidate which is recorded. It is also same for both general and academic test. Listening, reading and writing are conducted in a single day. That means 2 hours 40 minutes at a stretch. And speaking may be going to take place either on the same day or in the span of 5 to 7 days before or after the listening, reading and writing module. Next, scoring in IELTS. In IELTS, nothing is there like marks or points. Only we have bands here. Bands is a name of scoring system by Cambridge, where you can score from 1 to 9, where 9 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. If there is no bands like 0, but is there when you did not go or appear for the test. For one candidate, many people like 2 to 3 check your paper and then give the score. Next, about the preparation. For this, there are so many materials are available in online. However, best book is the Cambridge published book for IELTS test, in which one is the official Cambridge Guide for IELTS and the other one is the IELTS Cambridge Practice Test series. It has 1 to 14 series. Result. Once you complete all the module in IELTS, after 13 days, you will get your score in online. For this, you can check your result with registration number on the website. Also, you will get a message in your registered mobile number and mail as well. If you want a hard copy, you can get it after some times like 30 days. And the result is valid for 2 years. Frequency of the test. For general IELTS, there are 24 tests conducted in a year or 2 times per month. For academic IELTS, there are 48 tests conducted in a year or 4 times per month. There is no set requirements for IELTS. For example, if you cannot able to score as much as you required for your study or job or PR, you can write the test as many times as you want. But I won't recommend many times continuously because you need time to self-evaluate and find which all are the modules you need to practice more. Based on that, practice well and go for the next attempt. Next, I need to mention about the registration for IELTS. Candidates above the age of 16 can register for the test. For that, you can choose either IDP or British Council. As I mentioned earlier, Cambridge created the test and their university gave responsibility to IDP and British Council to take the test in various countries. These are the two registration options, either IDP or British Council. That depends up to you. Anyway, whatever it would be, trust me, both have no difference. But please book it at least 1 month prior to the test, and the registration fees for IELTS test differs in each country. One last point but not least, the passport. It is must for registration. While registering, you need to fill the form with passport number. If you don't have passport, remember you cannot able to write the test. So please make it ready before you go for the registration. That's it about IELTS Overview. See you soon with next video for IELTS module in detail. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.